Alright, what is good, everybody, dude? I have a couple things to do to the E36, and I know you guys want more E36 content, so I was like, I gotta put this stuff in. Might as well make it a video. But yeah, so as you can see in my hand here, I've got these little things, which these are radiator brackets that hold my radiator in. Because I don't know if you guys knew this, but I got a new radiator. I got a whole new, like, upgraded the cooling system a long time ago. I got a new radiator, new water pump pulley, thermostat, hoses. But yeah, as you can see, these are the old radiator things. These things suck. As you can see, it's being held in by zip ties too, because these things don't work. Take the zip ties off this thing, radiator literally doesn't hold it in all. So I'm hoping these fit in perfectly fine. And there we go. Old sticky radiator stays out. Huh. Okay, well, they're in, but I mean, they're in, but it's like, what in the world is this? Okay, so there was actually a rubber thing that was on the end of this. It was right here, didn't know that. But it still kind of moves around a little bit, so I don't know. I mean, they're a little stinky, but I don't know. Radiator still moves a good bit, so I might throw some zip ties on here and so now we got the John. We got the John right here. I'm gonna throw it in. Oh, there that goes, and there's a spring. Spring's right here. So I think I can just take this off. I really don't want to have to cut it, but hey yo, what the oh god. Yo, this thing is kind of cool. All right, so I'm gonna put some Loctite on this. I probably should have bought a rag, but I didn't. Got my clothes. That's on. Okay. I can literally just. That's gonna be fun. So I can do this, and then I can still use the handbrake and just pop it out, and there we go. Okay, also, I might need to tighten the brake shoes in the back, the handbrake extension, or the handbrake brake shoes, because it might not be tight enough to, like, withstand this. That's pretty good, look at that. So I don't think I should slip out, but I will have the car in gear all the time when I park it, so it shouldn't be that much of an issue, but look at that. That's good. Now I probably need to tighten the rear brake shoes, but I'll probably do that another time. All right, so we're outside in the E36, and I will say, I do badly need to tighten my brake shoes. They are not even, like, I'm going, I don't know, probably 20, 30 miles an hour, and I'll just yoink this thing, and it just slows the car down. It does not do it at all. So I gotta adjust the brake shoes. I gotta tighten them a little bit, but I'm not gonna do that today because it's almost 7 o'clock, and I've got some other stuff to do. So I'm not gonna do that, but I will do that in this video. So the next clip you'll see is me doing that, but I'm gonna keep it a buck. I don't know when I'm gonna do that. Hopefully this week, we'll see. I don't know. All right, so I don't know what you guys can see right now, if anything, but every time I take this car on, I itch to freaking skid it, you know what I mean? So I'm pulling up to a Mexico right now. A Mexico, there's only one, you know what I mean? So. See what I mean? This thing is ungodly loud, and I'm right next to some houses, so we get a bounce. All right, boys, it's now a couple days later since I have put the e-brake in. You guys can't see, windows are too dark, but I have now gotten around to adjusting the e-brake shoes. So pretty self-explanatory. Take the caliper off, take the rotor off, and then spin the shoes. I'm gonna need some new tires soon. I think I'm showing wire on this. There's a little patch taken out of it, so I don't know, I'm gonna adjust the e-brake shoes, and this should be pretty self-explanatory. I did this side, and I didn't film because I just wanted to figure out what I was doing with this side, but obviously take the rotor caliper off, and then you see the brake shoes here, and then you just adjust them until it's like one turn past, or one turn, like you get it close to the rotor as possible. So, all right, so calipers off on this side, so you just take the rotor bolt out first if you have one of these, take this out, and then there's two caliper bolts on the back. So now I got it off, and this is what the part we want to do here. So if you're watching this video for informational purposes, then just this side going up expands it, driver's side, or passenger side goes down expanding it, but you expand it. And mine are pretty loose, so I'm gonna probably go a lot, but. Alright, so let me show you guys what I mean. I'm pretty sure this is how it goes. Let's get the motor on here. And getting it on, it's a little hard, and then spinning it, it doesn't spin as free. Like, it's a little, actually that might be good, but I'm gonna expand it up one, and then it'll be a little bit tougher. Okay, that spins really freely, so I'm gonna keep expanding it. Alrighty boys, it is a couple weeks later after I filmed the last clip of me fiddling with the brakes. I could not get them to lock, and I was watching some videos and stuff about it, and I saw that people just recommend new brake shoes because the stock ones are too smooth, and I got some new ones from what, O'Reilly's or something like that, and these are a lot more gritty and like more fine. So I got some new hardware too. I got new springs, stuff like that. So other side's done already, and I am basically done with this side. I just wanted to show you guys before I put everything back together. But hopefully, I'm crossing my fingers that this should now lock. It took way too long to film this video. I filmed the first part like I think 2 or 3 weeks ago. Like the trunk on this thing is almost done. I did not film that though because me and my dad were just doing it with me, and my dad was helping me. But it looks pretty good. We got the subs in there. It doesn't look pretty yet, but the subs are in there and they work, and it bumps. So that'll be coming in another video. Still waiting for my barrels. Also, don't have my barrels. But anyways, I'm gonna put this back together and go for a test rip, and hopefully they lock. Still haven't fixed the exhaust on this thing. Yep, this is a mega cold start. Let me like clean. Mega cold start in the garage. Oh, that ain't bad. That ain't bad. That ain't bad. E-brake is working. I did not adjust these though. Hold on. I didn't adjust those 2 cables. I don't think I need to, but if it still doesn't work, then I might resort to that. But it doesn't lock. God dang it, are you serious? I actually am beyond confused why this won't lock. Okay, we are back around 2. I just tightened the shoes again, except I didn't take them off of I didn't take the rotors off this time. Just right, if you line up the lug hole just right, you can stick a flathead and move the adjuster. So, moment of truth, man, it still doesn't lock. All right, so I have tightened the e-brake cables themselves, and it does lock better, but I have to yank the crap out of it. Like, hold on, let me just, like, it'll lock, just like going 25 miles an hour right now. Like, I mean, watch this. I mean, nope. This thing sounds like garbage. It'll lock, but just not great. See? God, this thing sounds like garbage. No shot. That is breaking axle. Oh my, there's no way. There's no way I just broke an axle. Oh my. Get out and see the damage, I guess. I don't know what I just did. It got home. I believe I found the issue here. Can you guys see? Hold on. I believe I found the issue. Hold on. Can you see that?